We are going to talk about Paris Corner Minia Caramel Dulce. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous on this one. Packaging gets 10 out of 10. Look at the box. It has these crystals made on it. Looks absolutely stunning. Has a texture pattern on the box on all sides. And some details are mentioned right behind with the quality assurance sticker. This is the gorgeous bottle for Minia Caramel Dulce. This is, I think, the third perfume from the Minia line. And the packaging is absolutely stunning. Just like all the other Minias has this texture going on. Then the same crystals are present here. And the bottle looks absolutely stunning and gorgeous. This is how the sprayer is. Diffuses the product really well. This perfume is a very sweet, gourmand, vanillic, slightly nutty and a popcorny sort of a fragrance. This one has notes of butter and popcorn, some chestnut, chocolate and benzoin, caramel, vanilla and brown sugar. Think of entering a movie theater where there is a stall where they are selling popcorn and you order a bucket of salted popcorn mixing up with caramel popcorn. And then the wisp that you get, that's exactly what this one is. It's sweet, slightly salty, very smooth like butter. Definitely get the nuttiness in here from the chestnut. And everything is binding together by that kind of like a salted caramel note. This is a perfect gourmand fragrance in my opinion, something that you can wear all year around. Even during summers, this kind of a gourmand does really well. Gives me a longevity of around 5 to 6 hours. Projection is soft and mild, but it keeps projecting the whole day. Sillage is moderate, it doesn't fill the room, but just kind of creates a good scent bubble around me. This perfume is light, airy, fluffy kind of a gourmand fragrance that is not very thick and syrupy. Something that you can wear all year around. If you kind of layer this with a white floral fragrance, maybe you can get a Paco Rabanne's Olympia similar DNA. This is very good in layering as well. This perfume layers really well with Choco Glaze Eclair from Muse Beauty as well. Love this combination. One more combo that I love is Smoke and Vanilla from Muse Beauty with this fragrance. Overall, love the scent profile. I got this one from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code in case you want to avail some discounts. I will leave the details here. My overall rating on this one is a 10 out of 10.